let's see how you can continue to talk out some spatial relationships at home. Reorganizing your child's toys and books is a great way to practice. Let's start by picking up this puzzle. While you're putting things away, don't forget to challenge your child a little bit. Let's put the box away on this shelf. Where do you think it goes? On the shelf above? No, that doesn't seem to fit. What about the one below? That one doesn't work either. Try placing it on the shelf on the bottom. That's right. It all seems pretty simple, but just a little practice and conversation will allow your child to think of objects differently. They'll be able to see in their minds where objects are in relation to each other when you talk about it. Try picking up these blocks on the floor and place them in the basket. Does the basket go on top of the armchair or beside the armchair? Beside! You're getting it. It helps to emphasize the words that describe the object in relation to the physical space. Where do you think the short books will fit? Do you think they'll fit on the shelf below or above? Below. What about the tall books? That's right, on the shelf above. All of the tall books go up on the shelf above. Good job! What are some other places around the home where you can practice spatial relationships? Look how clean it looks in here. Now you have so much space to play. Remember, you are their curiosity guide. When children have many opportunities to make and discuss their sense of space and the vocabulary to describe it, it opens up a whole world of possibilities. Bringing these simple math ideas into the home helps prepare young learners for success outside of the home. Remember to stay curious.